Hi friends, I'm here with my colleagues and my friends. I'm here at the mighty river Sindh. You see, these two gentlemen are very rare and very experienced fishermen. One is Mr. Babur. He is well known and very old fisherman, and behind him is Abdul Ghaffar. He is from Ligari clan, very famous Ligari clan of Liji Khan. We are here for adventure, some adventure, and you know me, I am well known to you guys. So we are here at River Sindh for some kind of adventure. Let us see what happens next. Hi friends, I came here with my friends. Every year I came to refresh myself. I came here at this mighty river Sindh for recreation purpose and sometimes for fishing. So my two friends, my two old buddies are at that place. They are collecting the bait for fishing. So it's a little bit earlier for fishing. Nowadays the breeding time is about to be ending. But today I would like to intensify your attention at the situation of this river. You see, once we call it the mighty river, but now I am almost in the near the center of this river, but it looks like a little pond. And you see this river bridge, Ghazi Ghat, and at that bridge you see the sand, no water. These are climate changes. Anyway, I am here for refreshing my soul, my heart, my eyes, and until I live on this planet, I will come here because my soul is here, my attraction is here, and I always say that River Sindh is my crush. So let us pray for us. If we got some fish, no problem. No fish, then no problem. But I refresh my soul, I refresh myself, and I will live with the clear full here. And then that is the time which refresh me. So thank you, friend. You see, these guys are trying. These guys are working very hard on the fishing project. So they are preparing themselves for throwing their reels. These two buddies are very experienced fishermen, and we expect some big catch today. So I will share with you if we find some big catches. So guys, see, look at me. Say hi to my audience. Say hi to audience, guys. Hey boys, look at me. Hey, you're listening me?
Hi.
Yeah, this man is Babur and this man is Ghaffar. Thank you, gentlemen, and God bless you. Good luck for today's good catch.